think it's my coolant cushion.
1 week later.
So yeah, man, I'm finally about to fix my car. It's been a minute. It's been sitting down for probably 5 days now. Yo, so I just got my part. My part just came in today. I had to open it already. You know what I'm saying? So my water pump just came in and shit. Had to already open it, see if they didn't give me a full ass water pump, but it was actually good. Came out good. My hands here, y'all. Oh, okay. Came in clutch. About to help me out and shit. We already did this last week to find out what the problem was. Found out it was my water pump. Yeah. This is the water pump right here.
Exactly. Alright, nigga, see you at Sunday or something. Like, hey, where that water pump?
It's in the car for.
Let me see that shit.
New water pump is in. This old one. Dirty ass coolant, man. This is the old one. Only problem is we gotta get a new water pump pulley. So we're about to get to autos after that. That's it. So yeah, we just put the water pump in, and now we're about to head to AutoZone to get a new pulley, cause we didn't expect this to be like this. So we can still risk it, but I'm not trying to risk it. I'm not trying to get on the side of the road no more. So yeah, we're about to head to AutoZone, get the part real quick, and be done, man. So this can be back on the road. So get tired of this, man. Just came back from AutoZone. Got the pulley, and I had to buy some coolant. Yes, sir. Hold up. If you ever need coolant, man, you know what I'm saying, you gotta get this, right? Hold up. Yes, sir. Water pump is done. Everything is done. The new pulley is right there. As you can see. You know what I'm saying? Everything is good. About to add the fan now. That fuck airbox. About to get a quarter intake, bro. That junk's so fat. So we're done. Just put the fan back on. Now I'm about to add the coolant. The fan was a bitch. That joint was not going in. After we add the coolant, we're gonna have to add that. And we're done. Adding coolant.
I was gonna pay for it.
oh, you paying? Oh shit! I want Fridays, like nah.
We work on all Beamers. Like shit.
That's all I work on. You got the spoons for this?
Yes, sir, man. You told me don't lose these joints.
Yeah, that would have been their work day.
I think that's all of them. These ones, right? Yeah. These are all the screws. Yeah, that's all of them.
And mean it.
And the car is alive, folks. Car is finally back. It's back on the road now. But I'm just about to clean it up and shit because all this dirty ass and shit. So I'm about to clean it. I'm done.